Hello everyone and welcome to a quick Opera tutorial. In today's video I want to show you how to see saved passwords in Opera. This is actually quite simple. First of all, I open Opera. Now I click on the three bars at the top right corner, scroll all the way down until I reach Go to Full Browser Settings. In the settings I switch to Privacy and Security in the sidebar on the left, scroll down until I reach Advanced, open it, and here I find the Password Manager. This will open in a new tab. I can now find all my saved passwords here. I have prepared an example here for which I want to display the password. If I click on it, I'm shown all the data for this test page, but first I have to enter the password of my computer. Now I just have to click on this little eye, and here I can see the password. And that's all you need to know. I hope you enjoyed the video and I will see you again in the next tutorial. Until then, your tutorial guy. Bye.